Okay, good morning everybody. Dave again from Supertech Electronics. We're going to show you how to remove a 530i BMW sound system. You'll need a plastic spudger, a rag and a Phillips screwdriver. Now, first thing we want to do is put the gear shift all the way down so it's out of the way. And we're going to remove this section here. There's one cable on the back of it for the hazard lights. You'll start by getting under it one end. Doesn't matter which end, but I start from this end and peel it out, and that will just come all the way out, and you'll need to unplug that cable there which fits into the back of that panel. Once you've got that cable out, you can just put that aside somewhere safe. Now we're going to remove this section here. It's loose at the moment, but there'll be a screw there and a screw there, Phillips head screw. Then you'll remove those screws and you'll have to get a spudger in. It is held by clips along the bottom especially, so don't just yank at it because you will break the clips. Get the spudger in and unpry one clip at a time till this whole section comes out, and it will have 3 plugs. You'll need to remove those from the back, those points there, and once again you can just put that to the side for the second. Okay, so grab your cloth, put it over your gear stick. We're doing that just so that we don't scratch the top of it. You'll need to remove 4 screws that are holding the head unit in. Once you've got those 4 screws out, that whole section will come out. And on the back of it, you'll need to remove all the plugs, leave the fan in, remove all the plugs, and send it off to Supertech Electronics for repair.